Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make skin boils. You will need scar wax. You can use either store-bought or homemade. I have a tutorial on how to make scar wax. The link will be down in the description below. Skin Illustrator alcohol paint palettes. You can also use cream paint as well. To activate the Skin Illustrator palettes, you can use 99 or 91% alcohol. Any liner brush or fine tip brush, a sculpting tool, and some fake blood. The first thing you want to do is take a piece of scar wax and you want to roll it into a ball. You want to place it on your skin, just like this. Next, you want to take your sculpting tool and blend down the edges of the scar wax. You want to keep the scar wax in a circular shape. If your scar wax is store-bought or homemade and has a hard texture, you can always add petroleum jelly to it for easy manipulation. And again, you want to repeat this technique of rolling the scar wax into a ball and placing it on your skin. You want to have each piece of scar wax close together. These bits of scar wax can vary in size. You can make them big, small, and any size in between. It's totally up to you. Once you're satisfied with one cluster of scar wax, you can then start another on a different part of your skin. You want to repeat the same steps of applying the first one and blending down the edges, and then adding other bits of scar wax close together to it. Again, I strongly recommend using Vaseline to manipulate the scar wax if the texture is a bit too stiff or too dry and crummy. This part is optional. If you want to intensify the effect of the skin boils, you want to take your fine brush or liner brush, dip it into petroleum jelly, and lightly brush it over the scar wax to give the boils a shiny look to them. Again, this is completely optional. You want to lightly dress the petroleum jelly onto the scar wax. You don't want to misshapen them by applying too much pressure. Now that I have all the skin boils in place, I'm going to take my Skin Illustrator SFX palette and I'm going to use the colors Blood Tone, Aged Blood, and Prime Yellow to outline the edges of the boils. So I'm going to activate these colors with my 91% alcohol. And again, you can always use cream paint as well. You're going to take your fine brush or liner brush, and you want to apply the paint around the edges of the boils, right beneath them. Just like this. With this paint, it will look as if the skin boils are irritating the skin, enhancing the illusion of the skin being infected. It's also giving the illusion that the boils are popping out of the skin. You can also add the paint in between the lines of the boils. It also enhances irritation in this makeup. Lastly, you're going to take some fake blood and apply it to the areas where you applied the alcohol paint or cream paint, along the edges of the skin boils, and a little bit between the lines. Just like this. You want to take your time and apply it lightly. And this is how I create the skin boils. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.